Friendly 246, turn right, heading 340, and contact Potomac departure.
340, and contacting Potomac departure. Tower, Mayday, Mayday, friendly 246.
Just outside of scans for 1 center. Air Shuttle 6025, stand by 1, friendly 246, say again. Friendly 246.
We're landing on Swift Street down here.
Friendly 246, Dulles. Friendly 246, Dulles Tower.
246 on the ground.
Friendly 246, you say you're on the ground?
We are on the ground. We just landed.
Friendly 246, understand you're on the ground. We are dispatching emergency services to your location now.
Hold on. Okay, so let's evacuate the aircraft.
Friendly 246, are you saying that you're evacuating the aircraft?
Okay, ground friendly 246. The runway across from Wendy's and Aldi's.
Friendly 246, roger, understand across from the Wendy's and the Aldi.
Affirmative, all passengers and pilots are alive and well, no injuries.
Friendly 246, that's great news, thanks for sharing. How many passengers are on board?
We have 5 passengers and we had 1,100 pounds of fuel, no fire, no problem.
5 passengers, 1,100 pounds of fuel, and how many crew?
2 crew.
7 total, 1,100 pounds of fuel, thank you. Red 338, pilot reported that they landed across from the Wendy's in Aldi, approximately a mile and a half west of the departure on the runway 30.